Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to send a sticker in the Discord app on your PC, especially after the latest update. Stickers are a fun way to express yourself, and with just a few clicks, you'll be sending them like a pro. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your Discord app on your PC. Once the app is open, head over to the server or direct message where you want to send a sticker. This could be a group chat with friends, a private conversation, or even within a larger community, wherever you'd like to share some extra personality. When you're inside the chat, look towards the bottom of the messaging bar where you normally type. Next to the emoji icon, you'll now see a sticker icon. Click on it. This is where the fun begins. After clicking, a panel will pop up showing you a variety of sticker categories. You'll find themed collections that cover different moods, jokes, and reactions. If you're not exactly sure which sticker suits the moment, don't worry. At the very top of this panel, there's a search bar just for stickers. Type in a keyword, maybe something like happy, angry, or celebrate, and Discord will instantly pull up stickers that match your vibe. It's a quick way to find something that perfectly reflects how you're feeling without scrolling endlessly. Once you've found the sticker that feels just right, all you have to do is click on it. That's it. The sticker will immediately appear in your chat and be visible to everyone. Stickers are larger and more expressive than emojis, so they're amazing for really bringing the conversation to life and showing off your mood in a fun way. And that's really all there is to it. By opening your Discord app, choosing a chat, clicking the sticker icon, searching or browsing for the perfect option, and then sending it, you can make your messages more memorable. The newest update has made this process even smoother, putting expressive communication right at your fingertips.